Hello everyone. So today I'm reviewing two Thermaltake laptop pad that supports notebook till 17 inches in diameter, and this one I have it for quite some time, around 1 year, and this one I also have it for some time, but I decided to buy another one. So this is new, this is also not really used, so I will try right now to let's say unbox this, and I will show you exactly what I speaking and why I prefer the black one instead of the fancy one. So as you could see, this is kind of fancy one. So those are the probes that collect, let's say, the temperature, and you could have it in Celsius or Fahrenheit. And here is the power button. Anyway, I will just take it out of the box and show you when the time it will came. I think that we don't have here the cable that came with, but I have it on hand. So this is it, USB-A to USB-A, so male to male. That's why you could also connect it to your laptop. Okay, and just because this is new, I needed to take the seals off. So in the box we have the cooler, some user manuals, the cable which is in a box, so it's the same thing. The same thing, the same length, and it's not branded like the other one, so it's a general USB power cable, let's say. So those are the specification. This one has a blue LED here on, and those are the back one specification for the Massive 14 notebook cooler. The other one specification is dual fans, 120 millimeters here, and on the back those are the specs for the other ones for Massive TM for from the Thermaltake. So both are from the Thermaltake. So here I will, let's say, unbox this because I have it another one. I will show you later on. So came in a very good package. You have here on the Massive 14 from the Thermaltake, you have some stops just for your laptop to not fall. So these are very useful for me at this moment. I will show you exactly, because I mounted my laptop over a laptop arm on my desk, and that's why it's very useful. So here it seems that it's a little bit warped from the factory itself. As you could see, we have two USB-A and speed for, so this is on off, now it's off, on, and here we have another on off button for the let's say LED, blue LED, for those two fans from here. And I will show you exactly how this it will work in few moments. So I'll connect here to the power brick, put it here, I connected the power brick to the cooler pad itself, notebook cooler pad itself. So this is how it works. So this is controlling its on off and also controlling the speed of the cooler pad. And here we have the LED, blue LED. So it's, and also the riser. And what is good, that we have the few steps with the risers. And the laptop, it will stay like this. It's very useful, those stops from here in the back. And it's also good that we have here some controls, and if we want to stop the LED, we do it like this, and we take the scroll, because it's like it's a wheel, and this is off. Now for the other one, the Thermaltake Massive TM. So I'll remove the box with all the details. So those are the details. Noise, it's around 31 decibels. It has an airflow of 61.27 CFM. The air pressure is 1.59 millimeter H2O. So the pressure is measured in millimeter to H2O. This sensor could show a temperature between 0 degrees to 99 degrees Celsius. And it weighs just 830 grams, so which is very light from my side. So if you have a big backpack, let's say an Evereki Concept Premium 2 or Titan from the Evereki, or any other very good backpack, this it will fit in the backpack very well. So I don't use this because I don't have those two stoppers in the front. It has it if this Thermaltake TM cooler, if it has like the other one, Thermaltake 14 square, like this one, those stoppers in front, it would be much better notebook cooler from my side because I put my laptop on the monitor stand, and so this is it. And right now I'm putting my laptop here, and I will show you why I need those in the front. And even if the other one is more fancy, doesn't have those, and I don't need it for this purpose. And this is it. So this is how it works, and here on top I will put a belt to not fall apart because it's not secured like the cooler pad itself. So I will show you the other one. I put a belt here, and I have another laptop cooling pad like the other one, so the massive Thermaltake Massive 14, and I choose a belt to put it over it, and that's it. So those are the two laptop pads that I tried to review today. If you have any question, don't hesitate to put it in the comment section, and don't hesitate to subscribe if you want to see more like this. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.